All right, here we go. I said, paint me like one of your French girls. Thank you for being my personal artist. No, there isn't one right here. All right, this should be over here then. There isn't? Oh my god, bro. Unlucky. Unlucky. Unlucky.
Think.
Somebody's dying.
Think. What do I do? What do I do?
He killed her. Shit.
Yes, yes, yes.
Fuck, already not the Connie, bro. What, the sonar didn't go off? I guess the sonar didn't go off.
Oh, thank
Take
God.
this.
This will help the pain.
I don't know what happened to my sonar. Thank you. It took me a minute to deal with that. Oh, she picked up the Julie picked up a health.
Good. It's open.
Right, let's go get another one.
What is this?
Oh, there's not one over here either. I'll go over here and do it. Oh, here's one right here. Get this one. I'm gonna try and go for red slaughterhouse door. I'll go for red slaughterhouse door.
This looks like some kind of lockpick.
Is he over here?
God.
I don't think he's over here.
I should see what that is.
Go for red slaughterhouse door.
Crap.
Shit,
Quiet.
shit. I got the chickens there. I hope none of them come over here. If they do, it's gonna suck. Nobody expects anybody to come really go to get to battery from over here. And they have no cook. They have a sissy.
Please protect us. Please.
I was like, why hasn't the grandpa sonar gone off? That was weird. Oh god. Scary. This way. They don't have a cook. They have a sissy and a hitchhiker. I don't think they know that I'm even over here.
Wait, what's that?
I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Grab 2 of them. Do the doors. And then do the battery.
Okay, Anna, stay calm. There's gotta be something I can use around here.
Hopefully they don't come over here and check. I still haven't used like my no cell or anything yet.
Oh, thank you. I might be able to break those locks now.
Oh shit. All right, let's go up. My proficiency is so low, and my Anna. I think I maxed out my toughness. This sissy's probably gonna come and check over here.
Finally. What's that over there?
Alright, I'll do battery and then I'll do the gate.
I can use this.
There's a chicken over there to my right, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's a chicken right there. Pass by slowly. Go to the gate. Let's go. I know they're gonna be here soon. Or maybe not.
Oh, thank God.
I guess they just didn't want to check over here.
Oh
Oh!
my God.
I guess they didn't want to check over here.
Help.
Now that we're gonna go play a family game. Play a game as family. Hydrate. Hydrate. Oh, that is the wrong cup. That cup is completely empty.